Which choice most logically completes the text? Many mosquito repellents contain natural components that work by activating multiple odor receptors on mosquitoes' antennae. As the insect develops resistance, new repellents are needed. Kay Dong and her team found that EBF, a molecular component of a chrysanthemum flower extract, can repel mosquitoes by activating just one odor receptor. And this receptor, OR31, is present in all mosquito species known to carry diseases. Therefore, the researchers suggested that in developing new repellents, it would be most useful to blink. So the text highlights how the mosquito repellents contain natural components that work by activating multiple odor receptors on mosquitoes' antennae, and that as these insects develop resistance, new repellents are needed. But researchers found that EBF, which is a molecular component of a chrysanthemum flower extract, can repel mosquitoes by activating just one odor receptor, and that this receptor, or R31, is present in all mosquito species known to carry diseases. So when creating new repellents, it would be most useful to blink. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Identify molecular components similar to EBF that target the activation of OR31 receptors. This seems to be the correct answer, because looking at the text, this is the logical conclusion, where it highlights that the EBF is a molecular component that can repel mosquitoes by activating just OR31, and this is present in all mosquito species known to carry diseases. So any similar molecular component to EBF that targets the activation of OR31 would be effective against all mosquito species that carry diseases. So this would be the most useful new repellent. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. Investigate alternative methods for extracting EBF molecules from chrysanthemums. This is incorrect, because this isn't the focus of the text. Neither does the text highlight how it is difficult or easy to extract chrysanthemum flower, to extract the chrysanthemum from flowers. So it isn't logical to focus on investigating alternative methods for extracting EBF molecules from chrysanthemums. And with this, we can eliminate answer choice B. C. Verify the precise location of OR31 and other odor receptors on mosquitoes' antennae. This is incorrect because the focus is on developing new repellents, so it wouldn't be useful to verify the location of OR31, because the text doesn't highlight that this location isn't known, and the focus of other odor receptors isn't important here, because it clearly says that OR31 is present in all mosquito species known to carry diseases, so this is the most important receptor, so focusing on other odor receptors isn't very useful. So we can eliminate answer choice C. D. Determine the maximum number of different odor receptors that can be activated by a single molecule. This is incorrect because, like C, the focus of the text is on the receptor OR31, and focusing on other different odor receptors wouldn't be useful because this odor receptor OR31 is present on all mosquitoes that carry diseases, so targeting this receptor in specific would be most effective or most useful. Targeting others wouldn't be very effective, so we can eliminate answer choice D. And with that, we're left as A as the correct answer.